Hello, Math 112 fans. Quite a few of you are asking me about Quiz 2. I have already posted review materials, but I thought I would make, since this was popular, some of you said you appreciated when I made a few short preparation videos, I thought I would do this here. So Quiz 2, you're going to know exactly what's coming. I'm doing this on purpose to really get you to focus in on kind of the overarching theme that's going on now. And this will help us a lot, especially going into exam 2 and the final. But for this one, you're going to know exactly what's coming. So your question will be identical to one of these. And when I say identical, I mean the exact same setup. I will change a couple numbers. So the only thing that will change is a couple numbers. That's it. So the exams won't be like that. There'll be a little more variation. But for this one, you know exactly what's coming. It is these 4 things to prepare for. So what I'm going to do is make 4 short videos where I go through each one of those pages. To me, all of these pages are asking the same thing. And that's my goal in doing this, is get you to see that your approach to all these problems is the same. And in doing so, I'll reiterate things I've been talking about in class. How you read a question, how you translate, how you make conclusions. And also I'll talk about the connection between your functions. So this is a perfect time for us to collect everything we've been doing. And these 4 questions, if we can master this, then we're going to be doing much better here moving forward. Okay, so that's my goal in this. For those of you worried about your grade, this is the time to buckle down over the long weekend, and just make sure you know those 4 pages. In doing so, it should make the homework easier. It should make 12-4 easier, where you're doing a lot of these same things. So, anyways, I think this will help. I do want to point you to my materials page. I have a lot of resources here. So if you're struggling with Chapter 12, I have a little summary of these antiderivatives if you need to see more practice. If you're struggling with setting up problems, I have a thing here. So this is just stuff I want you to be starting to look at. This is stuff you're doing in the homework. So this should become, you don't really need this, but for those of you that need a little extra practice. The exams are here. So the exams I'm referring to are my 2 most recent exams. You can also see my quiz. And you'll recognize that the quiz from the last time I taught this was identical with different numbers to one of those exams. So I did this exact same thing the last time I taught this course, because I really want students to focus in on these overarching themes. So that was identical to this one right here. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you something identical with slightly different numbers for this quiz. Okay, I think I'll stop this video here, and then I'll follow up, and I will do one of these questions immediately. Okay, and I think I'll do these kind of in 4 short bursts over the next few days, so you can practice these skills.